Do you want to improve your YouTube content? Do you desire to see your channel grow, attracting more viewers and subscribers? Well, you're in the right place. This video will guide you step by step on how to research to improve your YouTube content. Research, the word alone might sound a tad bit intimidating, but it's an essential element in creating high-quality content that resonates with your viewers. Step 1. Identify your audience. Who are they? What are their interests? What type of content do they consume? Understanding your audience is the first step towards creating content that they'll love. Tools like YouTube Analytics can provide valuable insight into your audience demographics. Step 2. Check out the competition. What are other creators in your niche doing? What is working for them? What isn't? Observing your competition can give you great ideas and help you avoid pitfalls. Step 3. Keep up with trends. Stay in the know about what's trending in your niche and on YouTube in general. Websites like Google Trends or tools like YouTube Trending Page can be incredibly useful. Step 4. Use keyword research. Keywords are crucial in helping viewers find your content. Tools like Google Keyword Planner or TubeBuddy can help you find the right keywords for your content. Step 5. Ask for feedback. Sometimes the best insight can come from your viewers. Encourage comments and regularly engage with your audience to understand what they like and what they want to see more of. Step 6. Always evaluate and adjust. Research is not a one-time thing. Regularly review your content's performance, adjust your strategy based on your findings, and always be open to learning and improving. In summary, improving your YouTube content involves identifying and understanding your audience, observing your competition, staying abreast with trends, using keyword research, asking for feedback, and continuously evaluating and adjusting your strategy. Remember, research isn't just about numbers and data. It's about understanding your audience, your niche, and your content. With the right research, you can create YouTube content that resonates with your viewers, attracts more subscribers, and helps your channel grow. So, roll up your sleeves and dive into the world of research. Your YouTube channel will thank you.